Children, how are you? Hope all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss the B reading in first unit, that is Little Bobby. It is under the theme humor. Humor means something funny. In this lesson, we already discussed the snake and mirror lesson, the duck and the kangaroo. Now this is Little Bobby. Little Bobby lesson. Let us move to the lesson, Little Bobby serial. What about this little Bobby? Once there lived a naughty boy named Bobby. What was his name? Yes, his name was Bobby. As his birthday is coming, he wanted a costly gift. Every child in their childhood celebrates their birthday very grandly, and they expect a lot of costly gifts from their parents and grandparents. So this little Bobby also is expecting a costly gift for his birthday. So he went to his mother, who was working in the kitchen. Who was working in the kitchen. Here you can see, yes, this is little Bobby. He went to his mother, who was working in the kitchen. Let us move to the lesson. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. That is, her mother is preparing dinner. At this time, this little Bobby went into the kitchen to ask something. What is that? His birthday was coming up, and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. As his birthday is as his birthday was coming, he thought that it is a good time because she, that is the mother, is working in a peaceful mood in the kitchen. So this is the good time to ask his demands. Mom, he asked his mother. What he asked? Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. You want a bike for my birthday? My demand is I want a bike for my birthday. What is the nature of this little Bobby? Little Bobby was a bit troublemaker. He is a troublemaker. Troublemaker means a person who often causes troubles. This little Bobby is a naughty boy. He always makes some trouble, some problems, some in the school as well as in the home. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. As I said, he was ready to make troubles in house as well as in school. So Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Then Bobby's mother thought an idea. She wanted to change the attitude and mentality of the troublemaker Bobby. So she thought for a plan. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought that he deserved. Deserved means qualified to have something. Are you deserved? Are you qualified to do this favor? Are you qualified to have a bike like that? To get a bike for his birthday. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. When mother asked, "Do you deserve it?" Then little Bobby thought, "Yes, I deserve it, and I need a bike, and I am eligible for that bike set because Bobby is a troublemaker." Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior. Bobby's mother want to reflect Bobby on his behavior. Reflect means think about, introspect. He want to reflect his thoughts. So Bobby's mother taken taken an opportunity to give a chance for Bobby to think about himself, about his behavior, reflect on his behavior over the last year, and said, "Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God Tell him what you deserve, why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Then this Bobby's mother said to Bobby, you do one thing. You go into your room and think for a while. Sit for a while and think for a while. In which way you deserve for a bike. You write a letter to the God. Then he will give you the bike. Then little Bobby stumped up and little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jesse, his pet dog, followed him. He reluctantly, not willingly, stepped up into his room. That is, stumped means moving very reluctantly up to the steps and went into his room. This Bobby is followed by Jesse, who is a pet dog of little Bobby. Jesse, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Then this Bobby sat for some time and think for some and thought for some time. Then he started a letter. Jesse sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. This Jesse pet dog just observing Bobby what he was doing, and finally he wrote a letter. Letter 1. To whom, dear God, addressing God, dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. God, I have been a very good boy this year. For this year, I behaved well. I'm a very good boy. So, I need a bike. And that too, I want a red one. His demand is a red bike, not ordinary bike, a red bike. Your friend Bobby. This is the first letter. So, who wrote the letter? Bobby wrote the letter. To whom? To God. What is the matter of the letter? I have been a good boy about his behavior and his demand. The matter of the letter is behavior of Bobby and his demand, the red bike for his birthday. What is the occasion? Yes, his birthday. But he is not satisfied with the letter. Then he just tore the letter and started another letter. Letter 2. This is also addressed to dear God. This is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. The letter theme changed. In the first letter, he said, I have been a very good boy. I have been a very good boy. Letter 2, I have been a good boy. I have been a good boy. Very good changed into good boy. And I'm your friend. Do you know? I'm your friend. I have been a good boy for this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Then he thought for some time. He is not satisfied with this letter also because he know about himself very well that he is not a very good boy and he is not a good boy also. Letter 3. Dear God, I have been an okay boy. I have been an okay boy. Okay, I am okay boy. I still would really like a bike for my birthday, even though still I need a red bike for my birthday. Definitely, I need a red bike for my birthday. He is not satisfied with this letter also. So, he started writing another letter. Letter 4. Addressed to God. Not dear God, etc. etc. Only God. I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I know I haven't been a good boy. Of course, I'm a naughty boy. Of course, I'm a bad boy. I'm very sorry for that. I will be good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Now demand. If you send me a red bike, then then I will try to be a good boy for the next year. Okay. For the next year, I will be a good boy. Bobby wrote this letter. Then he is not satisfied with this letter. He got another idea. So Bobby know even if it was not true. This letter was not going to be. Now Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mother to go to church. Then he is not satisfied with these letters and his reflections about his behavior. Then he went downstairs and said to his mother, Mummy, I want to go to church. Then what his mother will feel? Oh, something change is there in my little Bobby. There is some thinking about himself. So she said, okay. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked as Bobby just be home in time for dinner. Bobby's mother told him, okay, Bobby, you go to church, but just come in time to have dinner. Just Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Then he straightly went to the church road. He went into the church. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. He went into the church and then into the altar. Altar means the sacred place where the mass will conduct. He looked around to see if anyone was there. Then, after entering onto the altar, he watched everything around the altar. Is there anyone? Is there anyone observing me? Like that, he saw the surroundings of the altar. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. He slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church and into the house and up to his room. Immediately, he bent down and picked a statue of Mother Mary and kept under his shirt and come very, 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 very fastly to his house and then to his room. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper. Now he sat down on the chair and started writing a letter on a piece of paper. What is that paper? What is that letter? Letter 5. God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the bike. Bob. God, I have kidnapped your mother from the church. That is, Jesus Christ's mother is Mother Mary. He has stolen the statue of Mother Mary and he is blackmailing the God. If you want your mother, I need a bike. This is the final letter. Got my point? So that is the attitude, that is the behavior of our little Bobby, who is a troublemaker. He again proved that he is a troublemaker.